Today we are showing you how to install our bracket. Very easy to install. Put the bracket on the wall, level it, mark the holes. We are putting this bracket on MDF wall, that's why we're not using wall plugs. But if you are working on brick wall or plasterboard, then you will use wall plugs accordingly. One thing you need to make sure, if you are working on brick wall or plasterboard wall, your holes for the screws should be 100% accurate size. If you make too big holes, shelf will not work and start leaning down. And one more thing, use 200% tight the screw so bracket is firm on the wall. Next step is simple. You put the plastic insert on the glass and push it everything inside and tight the bottom screw. Look, it's 2 minutes job if you do properly. And this shelf is very strong, can hold up to 10 kilo. Robert, can you put some weight for me on it? One drill machine, two drill machine. Put one screw box, is quite heavy screw box, 2 screw boxes maybe. So it can hold easily quite big weight. Okay, thank you.